In the last 11 years, if I were to talk about, Nifty has given almost 241% returns with a CAGR growth of around 11.4%. But, to put a little perspective to it, let's see how markets have performed under different PMs. So talking about, under Atal Bihari Vajpayee, if I were to talk about, the Nifty saw a return of around 41%, while under, Nifty under Manmohan Singh first term, that is from 2004 to 2009, the returns were around 169%, while for the second term, the returns were around 70%. But under PM Modi in the last 11 years, till now, if I were to talk about, the returns have been almost 242%. So that's the highest that we have seen. Now let's see which sectors have performed in the last 11 years. While financial services and auto were the top sectors, now this was also followed by IT, then you have pharma, then you have PSUs, which have done really well. But on the loser side, if I were to talk about, let's see which are the sectors which did not perform well. Not much, because all of the sectors, if you see, have performed really good. But on the stock level, if I were to talk about the top 5 stocks which have done really good in the last 11 years, you have Trend. This is followed by Bajaj Finance and Adani Enterprises. But there are 2 stocks, which have not performed well. Let's see which are those 2 losers. You have Coal India and you have ONGC, wherein the returns were from 0 to -1%. Let's finally look at the broader, economic picture. Foreign direct investment, India attracted almost FDI worth $748 billion in the last, from 2014 to 25, while the startup ecosystem, if I were to talk about, has flourished over 120 unicorns since 2014. SIP flows, if you see, have hit almost 28,625 crore in August 2025. And lastly, retail participation have increased with demat accounts of almost 20 crore as of today.